Dr. Summer. Welcome to the channel. I'm Dr. Summer Reed. I'm a nurse slash homeopathic physician, traveler, talk show host. Anyway, today I'm creating a recipe that's an invention. I don't have the ingredients that I normally use. I'm from San Francisco. I'm from the States. Yeah, I don't have what I normally use. So I'm gonna try and recreate a taste using locally sourced ingredients. Oh, this is the potato that I'm using, and make it work for there. And I wanted to say, I'm using a wonderful sauce. It's called Yaya, and it's made in Senegal. All right, let's get to cooking. Oh, and if this is your first time here, there are some other cooking shows that I've done over the last couple decades. So if you don't like this recipe, there are some that you might like. Love you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Watch it till the end. Happy holiday. You haven't seen me in a while. How are you? I hope you're well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are in the world. Peanut says hi. So I wanted to share with you what I'm doing. I'm in a hotel room in West Africa. Yeah, and so is Peanut. And I'm making a little potato salad. Yesterday, I made curry chicken. Okay. So yesterday, I made curry chicken and I made rice. And today, I'm making a little homemade potato salad. And I have limited ingredients. I don't have the ingredients that I usually use at home. So I'm going to share with you what I'm making. So, and I don't have my camera. I don't have my phone. I only have a laptop. Okay, so hope you can see it. So there are my potatoes. I cut and cubed some really nice potatoes. I added some butter, and I apologize for the shaking. I put some butter in the potato. Okay. And next I'm just going to add some other ingredients. And I went to the store and I bought some really nice chicken pieces yesterday and today. So today I purchased these at the store here in West Africa. These are chicken franks and they were frozen. I'm just going to eat that potato salad. And where I'm at, there is an abundance. It's like Ramadan here. So most of the stores are closed. And they don't open till late, like late at night. And quit Peanut. And I don't really go out late at night. Peanut is like right here. I don't really go out late at night, so I just get what I can. Yeah, Peanut, you go with me. I get what I can and come back and cook it. Like I was saying, there is an abundance of fresh fruit and vegetables, so I can usually get those things when I go to the market. Okay, so let's get into this potato salad. Okay, so like I said, I have limited ingredients here, so let me show you with the limited ingredients I have what I'm putting in my potato salad, okay? And if you look back at some of my videos, you will see what I've used in my potato salad in the past, okay? All right, so bell pepper, a small onion. This is the only way I could find vinegar. So this is red wine vinegar. You can see the mustard. I don't have sweet pickle relish, so I'm going to use some dates, mayonnaise. This is a pepper sauce. I couldn't find pickle relish or pickles, so I'm just going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. and whip it up. I don't have any garlic, but there's probably an abundance in here. And let's see how this tastes. And whatever it is, I'm going to eat it. And I'm sure it's going to be nice. Oh, and I'm going to put a tablespoon of sugar to balance out the vinegar. Okay, so I have everything in there. Let me show you. Like I said, I'm using my laptop. Okay, so the cucumber is in there. The onion is in there. The bell pepper and the dates. So next, I'm just gonna stir it. I'm gonna make a little well here. And I'm gonna add my mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, sugar, and pepper sauce. And this pepper sauce was made in the country of Senegal. Restaurants are closed. You can't really buy food. I'm in a predominantly Muslim country, so everything is usually closed. Okay, so let's do this. So friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Okay, so when I cook the potatoes, I salted the potatoes already. So, yeah, peanut. So they already have salt in them. I purchased a little electric cooktop, and it was about it's a very good price. So I'm cooking with that. Okay, so here we go. I made a little well. This is my pepper sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, about a tablespoon and a half of sugar, and then my red wine vinegar. All right, and I put about a quarter cup of mayonnaise. First time using this brand. This is the only brand I could find. You probably can't find this in the States. I don't know. So let's mix this up and make it work. Okay, so there are the eggs. I'm only going to use 2. I'm going to eat another one for breakfast in the morning. So mix this up and see what it tastes like. So it is possible to get the desired taste that you want using alternative ingredients. Okay, I'm going to show you my cooking surface. See if you can see it. So that's where I'm cooking my food for now. And like I said, you can use alternative ingredients to achieve the taste that you want. So I'll let you know what they say about how it tastes.